Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about Best Facilities Maintenance Management Software 2024. Let's jump right into it. Choosing the right facilities maintenance management software is crucial for keeping your operations running smoothly. With numerous options available, finding the best one can be challenging. Here, we have compiled a list of the best facilities maintenance management software for 2024. 1. Fogwing Asset Plus. Fogwing Asset Plus is a popular emerging software solution that integrates advanced IoT capabilities for comprehensive asset and maintenance management. It's designed for businesses looking to leverage the latest technology in their maintenance operations. Key features: IoT-enabled asset monitoring, predictive maintenance, real-time data analytics, work order management, preventive maintenance scheduling. Why choose Fogwing Asset Plus? Fogwing Asset Plus stands out with its IoT integration, offering real-time insights and predictive maintenance capabilities. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses aiming to implement smart maintenance strategies. 2. Fix. Fix is a popular choice for facilities maintenance management. It offers a user-friendly interface and a robust set of features that help streamline maintenance tasks. Key features: work order management, preventive maintenance scheduling, asset management, mobile access, real-time reporting. 3. Upkeep. Upkeep is a software known for its ease of use and mobile-first approach. It's particularly suitable for teams that need to manage maintenance tasks on the go. Key features: mobile work order management, preventive maintenance, inventory management, asset tracking, customizable dashboards. 4. Hippo CMS. Hippo CMS is designed to simplify maintenance operations with its straightforward and easy-to-navigate interface. It's suitable for organizations that need a balance of functionality and simplicity. Key features: work order management, preventive maintenance, equipment and asset management, interactive floor plans, reporting and analytics. 5. eMaint. eMaint, part of the Fluke family, offers a comprehensive suite of maintenance management tools. It's highly flexible and can be tailored to fit various industries. Key features: work order management, preventive and predictive maintenance, inventory management, asset management, mobile access. Selecting the best facilities maintenance management software depends on your specific needs and the size of your organization. Whether you prioritize mobile access, ease of use, or advanced features, this list has a solution to meet your requirements. Evaluate these options based on your unique needs to ensure your maintenance operations run smoothly and efficiently in 2024. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.